Flying dragon videos are going crazy viral on social media right now, but anyone can make this AI videos 100% free. Just copy and paste my strategy. This TikTok page has gained hit 2.4 million likes and got 117,000 plus followers. This video got 5.7 million, and next video got over 9 million views, and so on for flying dragon videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself free. To get started, head over to ChatGPT and log in using your Google account. After login, click on Explore GPTs at left menu. In the search bar, write Flying Dragon Generator and select first one. I will give the link in description for easy use. You can click on my link and come directly here. You will then just click on Start Chat button. Then click on Start the Generator and AI will automatically suggest 10 ideas for flying dragon videos. Pick what you like most. I am selecting number 4. You can select any of it or ask ChatGPT for more ideas. AI will automatically make an image prompt and a video prompt instantly. Here is our ready to copy-paste prompts. Now, firstly, copy image prompt and come to Google Flow AI. I will also give this link in description. Come to Google Flow and click on New Project button. Paste that copied text, and here we will first create image and then convert video from that image. So here we will select image, then 9:6 aspect ratio, x4, then nano banana 2, and then submit. AI will start generating our first image. It may take up to a minute to be generated. Images are ready here. You can check them. Now come back to ChatGPT and copy video prompt, and come back to Flow and paste prompt in this box, and now select video, keep it frames, then aspect ratio 9:6, then x2, VO 3.1 fast. Then come to here and select Start Frame Image and fix any one of those generated images as first frame, and finally submit and wait. Within few minutes you will see your video is ready. Let's check our generated flying dragon video. This video was so satisfactory. Let's see our second generation. This generation was also satisfactory, but the problem is this video clip was just 8 seconds long. So let's make it long. Come to prompt box and write extend video, then submit and wait. In this way you can extend your video from 8 seconds to as much as you want. In the meantime, if you have any confusion, you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. Our extended 15 seconds long video is ready. Let's see it. If you need to extend more, you will just write extend video and video will be extended again. In this way, you can make long dragon flying videos, but for completely free. When it will be completed, click on Done and download your video. You can also download your complete flying dragon video from here. And till now, if this video helps you, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Stay connected. I will show another example by making another flying dragon video to make you clear the strategy. Coming back to ChatGPT again and asking for idea 1, and as before, AI will provide an image and a video prompt. Copying image prompt and coming back to Flow and paste it in prompt box. Selecting image 9:16, x2, nano banana 2, and submit for image generation. Here is new images. This is so incredible. Now copying video prompt from ChatGPT and pasting that prompt in Flow. Selecting video and keeping everything as it is, and select an image as first frame and submitting again. Our video is ready. Let's check it. Let's see second video. flying dragon videos are so incredible. Download it from download button or extend your video if you want. If you found my video helpful, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I recommend you to also watch this video. Thanks.